Greetings of the day, dear children. Today we are starting with our chapter number 5, which is lines and angles. Let us start this chapter with exercise 5.1. In 5.1, it is saying, question number 1, find the complement of each of the following angles. Some angles are given to us and we need to find the complement of these given angles. So let us start. In our introductory notes, I have informed you what are complementary angles. Complementary angles are those angles whose sum is 90 degree. The two angles whose sum is 90 degree are said to be complementary to each other. Here they have given you one angle and we need to find the second angle. So what we will do for finding out the second angle, as we know sum of complementary angle is 90 degree. So for finding the other angle, complementary angle, what we will do, we'll subtract the given degree with 90. So complementary angle is equal to 90 minus 20, which is equal to 70. This is your first part. In second part, they have given the degree 63. Same procedure. What you will do, you will subtract it again from 90 degrees. Subtract 63 from 90 degree and you will get your answer. So 90 minus 63 is equal to 10 minus 3 is 7, 8 minus 6 is 2. Therefore, the answer is 27 degree. 27 is the complement of 63, 70 is the complement of 20. So in this way, you will do the remaining part as well. Let us continue with question number 2 now. Find the supplement of each of the following angles. Now here in this question, we need to find the supplement. What are supplementary angles? The angles whose sum is 180 degree are said to be supplement. So here again one angle is given to you and you need to find the another angle. So in that case, what you will do, you will, for finding out the supplement angle, you will subtract the given angle from 180 as the sum of two angle is 180. Suppose A plus B is equal to 180. This is supplement. These two are supplement to each other. Now in place of A, 105 is given. So it is adding up here, we'll bring it to the other side and it will get subtracted. So therefore the supplement of 105 is 75. Similarly, for second part also 87 is given. We need to find the supplement. For finding out the supplement, what we will do, supplement angle is equal to 180 minus 87, which is equal to 93 degree. So this is your question number 2. To find the supplement angle, you need to subtract the given angle from 180. You will find your answer. So this is your question number 2. Let us continue question 3 now. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complement and which are supplementary. Here in these different parts, two angles are given to us. We need to find whether the given angles are complementary to each other or supplementary to each other. In that case, what we will do, we will find the sum of given angles. Whatever the angles are given to us, sum of angles we will find. So here first part is the answer. The parts are 65 degree and 115 degree. What we will do, we will add both the parts. So when we are adding, the sum is coming 180 degree. As now in a previous question I said, if the sum is 180 degree, the angles are supplementary to each other. And if we get sum as 90 degree, the angles will be said to complement to each other. Like now I am taking third part here. Third part says 112 and 68 degree. Again we will write sum of angles is equal to 112 plus 68, which is equal to again 180 degree. Therefore these two angles are again supplement to each other as the sum is 180 degree. Let us continue. I am taking alternate parts over here. So I have now fifth part is given 45 degree each. Again you will write sum of angles. Just add these two angles. 45 plus 45 equals to 90 degree. So therefore this time the sum has come 90. So the given angles, they are complementary to each other. This is how you will do question number 3, all 6 parts. Let us continue question number 4 now. Find the angles which is equal to its complement. Now in this question, no angle is given to us, but we need to find the complement of the each angle. So what we will say, let each angle be x. Let each angle, we'll assume, as no angle is given to us. So we'll write let each angle be x. Therefore sum of complementary angle is 90 degree, we know. So what we'll do, how many complementary angles are there? 2 complementary angles are there. We'll add both the angles and we'll make it equals to 90 degree. It has formed an equation. Solve the equation and find your answer for complementary. 90 divided by 2. Therefore your complementary angle is 45 degree each. This is your question number 4. Let's continue question number 5 then. Question 5 says, find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Now they are saying to find the supplement of each other. Again, no angle is given to us. We will write let each supplement angle be x. Let each supplement angle be x. Again, sum of supplement angle are sum of supplement angles are 180 degree. And how many supplements angle are there? 2. So x plus x is equal to the sum, which is 180 degree. It will be 2x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 upon 2. Reduce it to the lowest term and you have got x is equal to 90 degree. Therefore each supplement angle is 90 degree. This is your question number 5.